right, today is CNC day. It's crazy. Like, look at this. Crazy, bro. All right, we have a whole line of cars, bro. I don't even know if y'all can see, but we have mad cars, and we're all heading up to CNC. We're literally like an hour, like 40 minutes out. We don't know what to expect today. It's gonna be late. We left literally at 5 in the morning. It was too dark to record because, like, once you got in here and I start recording in my car, it's not, you know, you're not gonna see me, and I know you want to see me. You know what I'm saying? All right. Since I'm leading, I really can't show everybody. Let me see if I can actually show everybody. Let me see. It's about to get loud in here. Four more cars back there. Can they catch up? Can they catch up? The fast boys are up in the front. The slam cars are all the way in the back. Hey, they'll be alright though. Mystery box. We're gonna see. Thank you. Alright.
Hey, I still need Louis.
Yeah, from GL.
I'm kidding, bro.
Yes, sir. I'll take everything.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Nah, we'll make fun of him. That's why.
I got springs.
So does Curly, bro, but he never doesn't want to put them on.
A Beamer and one of these, you gotta sell your shit.
What we got?
Dave.
Yeah. Go. You have to pull them out at the same time.
You got a black shirt. Okay.
Oh! You got the purple beaver, man.
Let's go!
Oh, yeah, now we
Sure.
Beamer,
Now we
guys.
twinning. Oh, he got a white one.
Show the camera.
No way, you got a white one.
Oh, Lord, let it.
Alright, let's show it, bro. Hold on, we got one more. Curly.
What's on the back of yours, bro?
The M240.
Is it the purple?
No way.
Yeah, now we're twinning.
No way.
Yeah, you weren't down the right back, right?
Hell yeah.
Oh, hell no.
Hey, he just.
Oh,
the same one. Nah, it's different one. Ready.
Oh, it's a hook.
Okay. Don't trip. Don't run, don't trip. What is it? Nah, it said don't trip.
Oh, lower legends, but on stock height? Yeah. Check this out. Maybe waste my battery, damn it. Tú también, güey. Véate a la verga, pinche culero.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Look at that GTI, bro.
Bro, I raced the GTI one time, never again.
They light as
Never
fuck.
again, bro. That motherfucker, bro, he dogged me, bro. The Han Beezy.
Oh, this motherfucker's about to floor right here. No, I see that.
Go ahead, black man. That's what I'm talking about.
No way! Leave him alone!
Oh, that thing
going in a suit. No way, bro. That shit lame as fuck.
JJ.
Bro, she didn't even have her real plates on. She had a quiet plate.
All right, we fast forwarding because we're going to another meet. Everyone's leaving. This one stayed till, this event was like till like 11, so last one was till 12. But it is what it is. We're out of here. I might take out the GoPro because we got a 23 mile drive to the next meet. So we outside. JJ, you leading, bro. So try to keep up. Just try to keep up. Like you're leading.
Try to keep up.
Like don't back up. Just keep going. And the thing is, if we all gotta merge, make sure we all can merge. Just don't merge yourself. Cause you did that last time. You merged mad quick and you left us in the back. That's why we got separated. Huh? This mother.
Later.
We're at the last meet. Everybody's here. We're gonna walk down. M3, M4.
And then after that, like 2 months after, he told me he sold that car.
Oh, whose car is this? Wow, pretty nice. Took me 2 minutes to get here. Who? Me. It's 2 minutes. Huh? Cuando no. They're everywhere. Spin back.
They're spreading like a disease. It's David.